What's up, ladies and gentlemen? I wanted to break down the calorie um, calculation so you know how many calories you're getting in some of these malt liquors, beverages. You know, um, I've been drinking these for the last couple of years. The hard liquor gives me a hangover. Wine gives me a crazy hangover. Beer doesn't get me buzzed, so this was my go-to. That said, I'm certainly cutting back. I'm not drinking these every day like I was. I ate a pretty clean diet, basically vegan, health conscious, do a lot of walking, and yet I gained like over 30 pounds. And I knew it was largely because of this. The calories and then also the food choices you make while you're buzzed, not good. So, with that, so now this is the 24-ounce can, the tall boy. Where's that at? Yeah, my camera work sucks. Bite me. Not gravity. What the hell is this? I guess it's down there at the bottom somewhere. What the hell? Hang on, let's do this off camera. Ah, there it is. Get it in shot. It's the Money Shot 24 fluid ounces. 24-ounce can. Now, try as you might. You look over this can. Hey, where's the calorie nutrition information? You're not going to find it on here. It's not on there. That's another reason I was drinking this stuff. My liquor store had always has a good deal on it, but still it adds up. It's a waste of money. Anyway, so you're not going to find the information. So how then can you calculate it? Well, as luck would have it, I also bought one of these last night because I wanted to use the bottle as a water bottle to carry around. That's part of my justification for it. This is now 42 ounce, or the extra tall boy. This bottle does have the information on it, so if we flip it around like so, government warning, talk amongst yourselves, bear with me, extra malted, boom, here we go. Alrighty, redemption value. Now, I guess maybe I could make it horizontal for you. Maybe that would be helpful for this. Okay, so there it is. Zoom in. Steady hand. Serving size 5 fluid ounces, which is an odd number. That means 8.5 servings per container. And I find it kind of comical that they had to use that 8.5. They could have just done 6 ounces and given us a nice even number of 8, I think. 8, 6, what have you. That being said, 92 calories. You see the third line, cal, 92. That's not California, that's calories. 92. And it's, again, 8.5 servings per container. So let's move over to our math sheet here. 42-ounce bottle, serving size 5 ounces, a little bit redundant, I know, bite me. Thus, so what that word is, thus, 8.5 servings per bottle. So we take our 92 calories per serving, boom, times 8.5 servings, and we do this and break it down and carry the 0, or with the 1, carry the 4. We get 782 calories in that one bottle. That's a lot of calories for a beverage. You guys that are health conscious, maybe while you're watching this, you know you can eat all sorts of vegetables and a can of lentils, a bag of frozen, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts. So we're talking like 100, 150 calories all in there. And these are just really empty calories. So that's a lot. That's one more reason not to be drinking this stuff. Certainly not on a regular basis. I'm just drinking this stuff every day, guys, and that's where all that weight came from. And again, not being my best. I'm trying to be a better man, more productive, sharper, healthier, obviously. So that's what's making me look at this stuff. Taking a cold, hard look at my habits, and then share the knowledge with you guys. So with our 782 calories per bottle, we can get a per ounce calculation by dividing the calories by ounces, 42 ounces. You do the math, you double check me. I get 18.619 calories per ounce. Now we can go back to our bottle, our can. Grab your can, and we take the 18.619 and then we times it, multiply it by 24 ounces in the can. We get 447 calories in just the freaking can. Now, for me, you see I have one of each. It's because I drank one of each yesterday. And what's I'm kicking myself today. I'm trying to lose weight and be sexy, be fit like I was before. Still sexy. Healthier, sexier, that's important to me. I'm vain like that, I guess. Well, I just want to live my best life. So we got 782 from the bottle, 440, what do you say, 47 from the can. It's like over 1,200 calories. That's, now, for me, with my fasting, intermittent fasting, when I eat, when I space my meal, I want to get about 2,000 calories total. This is 1,200 just in the freaking beverage I'm drinking. Empty calories, guys, it's dumb. So I hope that's enlightening for you. I encourage you to cut way down on your drinking. I mean, even once a week, too much. But if you're like me, I'm not a drunk. I do like being buzzed sometimes. But anyway, I want to be healthy too. I want to live a long, good life. Oh, and so if you want to stick around, I also am going to discuss calories from peanuts. And if you're like me, when you're drinking your beer or your malt liquor, you want something salty. Stay away from chips and Cheetos, and I mean that's not tempting at all. But the peanuts, I figure, well, that's a natural food. Sure, there's sodium, but this is $1 bag, and the size there is 3.25, 3.25 ounces. So if you flip this on the back, we'll see that there's 170 calories per serving, but there's 3.5, there it is, the half again, 3.5 servings per container. So your lesser mortal would just see 170, maybe be lazy and think that's how many calories. Well, that's honestly how it should be. You pick this up, you're going to eat the whole thing in one sitting. So that, to me, that's a serving. But you know what I'm saying. So we take 170 calories there, and you think that's not so bad, but times 3.5 servings, we get 595 freaking calories. That's more than the can of liquor, which I already said was way up there. Per ounce. What am I doing? Yeah, not per ounce. And you get what I'm saying. It's more than the freaking can, so boom. So if you take, that's 595 plus 447, that's 1,050 plus 782, 19, that's almost my 2,000, give or take, guys, almost my 2,000 calories for the day on nonsense. So don't do it. Be smart, be healthy, share this great video with your loved ones, and what else can I say here? I encourage you to try and kick the habit if it is a habit. Can't be drinking every day, sorry. And don't buy into what sometimes the media and pop culture says it's so hard to quit, whether it's smoking or alcohol, because sometimes the stories we tell ourselves will create the reality that we see. Not getting too deep about that, but try it, cut back, see how you feel. And if you do fall off the wagon, you one day have a weakness, like for me it was yesterday, I don't get down depressed. I mean, I just pick up. It wasn't that fun. It's not as fun as it used to be. It's a waste of money. It's not making me happier or healthier for sure. It's not getting me where I need to go. So, yeah, wish you well. Hope that works for you guys. Love you. Bye.